Discharge before periods. Causes. Diagnosis. Treatment. Preventive measures. Discharge before periods. Normally, a vaginal discharge experienced as periods approach is not a matter to set you worrying. However, it may signal the onset of an underlying condition, if you notice a change in the color of the discharge. A small amount of vaginal discharge or secretion is quite normal. A number of women experience slight vaginal discharge before, during, and after their 28-day menstrual cycle. This discharge is nothing but the fluid produced by the cervix and the glands present inside the vagina. Know that the fluid serves a very important purpose. Whenever the fluid is discharged from the vagina, it brings with itself the old cells, lining the vaginal wall. In this way, the fluid helps to keep the insides of the vagina clean and healthy. The normal vaginal discharge is usually transparent or milk white in color. As for the texture, the discharge may be stretchy, or slightly thick. Normal vaginal discharge is odorless and is not accompanied by itching, or burning sensation. However, the color and consistency of normal discharge may undergo changes during the menstrual cycle. In fact, some women experience an increase in discharge before their periods. Causes. As has been mentioned, the color of a normal vaginal discharge can be white, or it could be transparent. For some women, discharge during ovulation, when one of the ovaries releases an egg, can be a tad thicker. However, generally, women may observe an increase in clear and stretchy discharge, with occasional specks of white during this period. During ovulation, the level of estrogen increases in the body, which, in turn, stimulates the glands of the cervix to secrete clear and water-like fluid. Thick and white discharge at the end of the cycle as well as in the beginning of the cycle may also be considered quite normal. Nevertheless, if white discharge is accompanied with itching, it may be an indicator of yeast infection. On the other hand, brown discharge can be a sign of several conditions. Often, a brown-colored discharge is due to the presence of old blood cells. Brown discharge before your menses usually indicates that your monthly cycle is about to begin. However, brown discharge could mean several other things as well. For instance, a brownish discharge may be due to polyps. A polyp is a group of cells on the internal lining of the cervix, or vagina. Bleeding of these polyps can cause the discharge to become brown in color. Though they are like tumors, 90% of the polyps are benign or non-cancerous. At times, brownish discharge may be caused by implantation bleeding, that is, the bleeding that occurs when the fetus gets implanted in the endometrium lining. If you get a brown discharge, or spotting at the time when your periods normally begins, it could be a sign of early pregnancy. One should also keep in mind that implantation bleeding can also cause brown discharge a week before periods. Women using contraceptive pills may also get brown discharge before menstruation. A lot of women can also observe a small amount of brown discharge when their periods culminates. This is normal. However, if you notice green or yellow discharge, it may signal an infection, especially if the discharge is thick, or clumpy and has a foul odor. Besides, if you notice a white-colored discharge that looks curdled, you must consult a certified gynecologist. The discharge is secreted to mark the onset of your menstrual cycle and has foul odor. You may also notice a frothy or curdled discharge after intercourse. These signs indicate urogenital candidiasis, which may instigate the region and cause vaginal itching and discomfort. A gauzy pus-like discharge may indicate the probability of the woman being infected with trichomonas colpitis or trichomoniasis. This form of discharge is fluid in consistency with it emitting a foul odor. Besides these, women may endure sensitivity and irritation in the vaginal region. Some have reported discomfort in the lower abdominal area, too, accompanied with a burning sensation while urinating. Diagnosis. By now, you must have been able to understand the difference between normal and abnormal vaginal discharge. If you have a normal discharge before your menstrual cycle, there is no reason to worry. However, if you observe any change in the amount of discharge, its color and odor, plan to visit your gynecologist without much delay. Your gynecologist would perform a number of tests and examinations before prescribing a particular treatment plan. On consultation, your gynecologist may take a sample of your discharge to further the diagnostic procedure. Besides, a Pap anicula test, also called the Pap test or the Pap smear, is a diagnostic method to detect changes in the cells of the cervix. A Pap test may reveal the signs of an infection, or the growth of unhealthy cells. It is also a potent method to detect the early signs of cervical cancer. Treatment. An abnormal increase in the amount of discharge accompanied with itching, irritation, and burning sensation are signs depicting that the vaginal discharge is not normal. Along with itching and irritation, the discharge is coupled with foul odor. On the other hand, green or yellow discharge before, or any time during your menstrual cycle can indicate an infection. Such changes in the discharge may be associated with some problems of the reproductive organs. Treatment for such abnormal discharge depends on certain underlying causes and its subsequent diagnosis. If yeast infection it is, antifungal medication and lubricants are used to gain control over the problem. Besides, an antibiotic course accompanied with vaginal suppositories may help to treat the condition. Preventive measures. Undermentioned are measures that you ought to take up to avert vaginal infection. Keep the vaginal area clean. Use a mild soap with warm water for the purpose. Keep from using a scented body wash. Overindulging in bubble baths, too, may put you at the risk counter. After using the facilities, ensure that you wipe the region clean with non-perfumed tissues in order to prevent a bacterial infection. As far as possible, wear cotton panties. The only accurate way to comprehend the cause of an abnormal discharge is to get the condition thoroughly evaluated by your gynecologist.